Hi, I'm Karla from McGrath Estate Agents, and today we're talking with Jacqueline Sal in regards to her investment property and taking care of the lawn maintenance. So Jacqueline, you rent your property to the tenant here. Can you explain why exactly you choose to look after your own lawns?
Yes, certainly, Karla. One of the main reasons is it gives me an opportunity to monitor the outside standards of the property to make sure that nothing is in need of repair.
Yep.
It also helps to improve the general appearance of the property and maintain its value.
Wonderful. So in regards to relationships, do you believe that you looking after your property yourself in regards to the yard creates better relationships?
Absolutely. It's one less thing for our tenant to have to worry about. The property is always well maintained. They get to meet us. It gives them more free time, and they don't have the responsibility of trying to find someone to do it reliably for them or to lose a lot of time in doing it for themselves.
Excellent. And in regards to saving money, investors obviously at the end of the day want to save money. So how do you believe that you doing the yard maintenance helps yourself to save money?
Well, the obvious one is the general appearance of the property, so that it helps retain its value, but also the fact that I can claim back expenses with relation to the mowing and the whippersnipping and any sort of general maintenance that needs doing.
So at tax time, depreciation wise, your accountant would work that out for you.
Absolutely.
So lawn mowers, anything that you use around the yard can be claimed back at tax time. So that is a brilliant idea.
Right.
Wonderful. And do you believe over time with your neighbours, say a fence needs repairs or things like that, it creates better relationships and helps you in the long term with your investment?
Absolutely. If you're maintaining your property, then it's helping the other properties in your immediate neighbourhood to retain their value and
Keep a certain standard.
to keep that standard, exactly. And also they're aware of who we are, so if there's an emergency or some kind of issue that we all need to discuss, they know we're approachable to do that.
Wonderful. All right, so if you have any questions in regards to renting your property out or investment wise saving money, please don't hesitate to give our team at McGrath a call.